Hello and a good day from us, Green Nature for a Better Future. For this project, we are proposing to build a mini greenhouse by using recycled plastic bottles. We choose Kampung Teluk Layang for the implementation of the project. It is a village for a community of stateless people who do not have an identity that stay in Sabah. This mini greenhouse will serve as an exposure for them to comprehend more about environmental concerns. From the first week of our activities, we are doing site familiarization, which is preliminary site clearance and collection of plastic bottles. We started setting up the frame of the greenhouse using PVC pipe and installed the legs for the frame as a support. However, on the third week of our implementation project, we discovered that there is a safety risk of doing our project at the first location. Hence, we relocate our site and do reinstallation of legs for the frame as a support on the new site and directly fabricated the bottle walls for the structure. After completion of the structure, installation of the wall and the site begins. Then, continue on the fifth week, which already completed the installation of wall, door, roof, and gutter. Purchasing and planting plants and installation of a water tank also completed in that week.
Jadi selepas daripada kami punya implementation projek kami ni, adakah anda berpuas hati dengan idea yang kami buat?
Berpuas hati lah untuk kebaikan orang-orang kampung.
Ya, sangat berpuas hati dengan bersama dengan usaha mahasiswa.
Saya rasa ini adalah satu inisiatif yang sangat baik. Niat itu adalah menyampaikan ilmu dan bagaimana ilmu digunakan untuk kesejahteraan hidup dan keharmonian hidup mereka.
Thank you, my selfish foundation. Terima kasih, cikgu. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, cikgu.